Okay, just finishing up this repower on this 1987 28 Sportsman. So local charter fishing boat. Took the 360 Chrysler out and put a brand new 350 Mercury MPI inboard. Switched it over to a ZF 1.5 gears, so we still spin a right hand prop. It had a cast iron velvet drive 1.5 in it. Obviously the Merc engine is 4-inch exhaust. We put 4-inch or 3-inch reducers in. Cleaned up the bilge. This thing's badass. This thing is smooth. Closed cool, which made the install a little bit of a challenge. But all in all, can't wait for the sea trowel. All the wiring, cleaned up all that stuff. There's the fuel tank right there for the cooling system. It fits.